Everyone knows that we are an affiliate with HighLevel, but this link you've got to use. If you have not tried HighLevel for your business, for your marketing needs, you want to jump into the specialized boot camp. There are so many amazing things that you're going to get during this boot camp that you will be amazed at. What you'll do is just sign up on the link. And again, this is for you if you've been thinking about HighLevel, if you are a marketer, if you are an agency, you're thinking about starting a software business. You've heard me talking about business opportunities and ways that you can easily manage your business and all of your marketing, your social media. If you're a course creator, if you're wanting to start a community, if you want to start an affiliate manager, if you want to have awesome automations, I can just go on forever. But the best way for you to do this is to go and check it out yourself. And HighLevel is providing an amazing live boot camp with a personalized walkthrough. What you'll do is you'll want to definitely get registered. And let's scroll down here. We got 5 days until the first one. This is not another webinar. It's a click-by-click live boot camp where you get stuff done together. So everyone's going to be getting things set up. Look at this. Quick win setup, text marketing, missed call text back, your mobile app, your social integrations, Google Business, reputation, the live Zoom with the HighLevel team. There's going to be breakout sessions. This is going to be great so you can break out into smaller groups. It's all virtual, it's all live, and you're going to get these amazing bonuses. So HighLevel puts together training, and we always have to look for it and wait for it and try to find the videos. They're going to give you this training that you will have. And I will tell you, I've taken all of them. I've taken the lead gen, I've taken the 5-day challenge, I've done the SaaSpreneur Playbook, I did the HighLevel launch, the snapshot giveaway. That is brilliant. You definitely want to get into that, and the funnel giveaway. So you don't have to pay anything extra. You just need to get into this boot camp. That's it. It's 100% free when you join. Look what you're going to get. The AI challenge, the SaaSpreneur Playbook, the HighLevel snapshots and funnels. It's all right here. You cannot miss out on this amazing opportunity. HighLevel is one of the top-rated marketing softwares in the world, and I personally use it, love it, and this boot camp is amazing. I want to make sure that everybody signs up with my link, jumps in, and gets into this boot camp as soon as you can. So I'm going to share this link. You'll see it in the comments below. Click on use my link. It's a specialized link to get you into this live boot camp. We're going to help you launch your HighLevel together. That's right. You're going to have the entire HighLevel team with you to get into this personalized walkthrough. Then, of course, you get all of your bonuses with me, depending on which plan you end up going with. But what I love about the boot camp is you're going to know exactly what you need, where you need, when you need it, and you'll be able to get set up and ready to go. So jump into the link. My name's Kathy, your SaaS Pro, and I'll see you inside.